Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need a taxi, please.
Of course. Is the taxi for right now or a bit later?
For right now, please. I'm going to Grand Central Station.
All right. May I ask what time your train departs?
Yes, my train leaves at 10 a.m.
I see. That gives us enough time. It's currently 9:20, so a taxi should get you there comfortably.
That sounds good. I don't want to risk being late.
I understand completely. Do you have a lot of luggage with you?
Just one large suitcase and a backpack.
In that case, I'll order a large taxi to make sure you're comfortable.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. The taxi should arrive in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. I'll wait here in the lobby then.
Great. When the driver arrives, I'll let you know right away.
Excellent. Thanks so much for your help.
It's my pleasure. I hope you have a safe trip and enjoy your journey.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, sir.